Hello students, today we will introduce design pattern to you. So let's start talking about design pattern and what it is. Design pattern represents the best practices used by experienced object-oriented software developers. Design patterns are solutions to general problems that software developers faced during software development. These solutions were obtained by trial and error by numerous software developers over quite a substantial period of time. What is Gang of Four or GOF? In 1994, four authors Eric Gama, Richard Hem, Ralph Johnson, Johnson Glycidis published a book titled Design Patterns, Element of Reusable Object-Oriented Software, which initiated the concept of design pattern in software development. These authors are collectively known as Gang of Four. According to these authors, design patterns are primarily based on following principles of object-oriented design. Program to an interface, not an implementation, favor object composition over inheritance. So what are the uses of design pattern? Design patterns have two main uses in software development. Common platform for developers. Design patterns provide a standard terminology that and are specific to particular scenario. For example, a singleton design pattern signifies the use of single object so that all developers familiar with design pattern would make use of single object and they can tell each other that program is following a singleton pattern. A better example of it is like let's say we are downloading some data from the backend server. If we use singleton pattern, it will hold an object. So from everywhere we call that object, the value of it will remain the same. So it will not change. On the other hand, if we don't use singleton design pattern, the object might change for different download. So the data will vary. So that's the use of singleton design pattern. Then another use of design pattern is best practices. Design patterns have evolved over a long period of time and they provide the best solution to certain problems faced during software development. Learning these patterns helps the unexperienced developers to learn software design in an easy and faster way. So let's talk about types of design pattern. As per design pattern reference book design patterns, element of reusable object-oriented software, there are 23 design patterns which can be classified in three categories: creational, structural, behavioral patterns. We also discuss another category called design pattern called J2EE design patterns. So what is creational patterns? This design pattern provide a way to create object while hiding the creation logic other than instantiating the objects directly using new operator. This gives program more flexibility in deciding which objects need to be created for different use cases. Structure patterns. This design pattern concern class and object of composition. Concept of inheritance is used to compose interfaces and different ways to compose the objects to define or obtain new functionalities. Behavioral patterns. These design patterns are specifically concerned with the communication between objects, J2EE patterns. These design patterns are specifically concerned with the presentation tier. These patterns are identified by Sun JavaScript. Alright, that was the intro of design pattern. We'll talk about more design patterns in the coming videos. Thank you.